3 seconds.
Step between the whole roster. That should count for more.
Much to your chagrin, that was it.
Oh, how did Steph make that?
He turnover. Here comes Curry. Curry to the basket. Foul. Shot's good and one.
Through to the front court. Curry all the way. Sends high off glass from that.
Curry stealing the inbound. Curry flipping it up and in.
Steph.
Oh, reverse.
Curry inside. Looking to draw the.
Curry splits the defense behind the back. Fires a three. Oh, he puts it.
Here in the first half. On a 12-4 run. Curry shakes.
This is game one, Western Coast. As Curry does his magic, gets by Gobert. What a move.
And then the jumper going off in this fourth quarter. Lillard scored 12 of Portland's last 13. Here's a pass by Curry.
Denying KD the ball.
Oh, Steph.
Oh, man.
Willing to take it and make it.
Oh, Steph. Now you see him, now you don't.
Oh, my goodness.
Steph, that's not fair. It's not fair.
55 games last year, scored 30 and 30. Did you see that?
This is screens to get Brooks off of it.
Oh, crossed him over. Let Brooks fly by. Oh, Steph Curry. But does it there. Curry behind the back, flips up and in. Mitchell on Curry. Slammed on the brakes. Oh, my goodness.
Discussion from Jason Tatum. Steph putting on a dribbling clinic.
Warriors by 8 with the ball. Curry lets it fly. It's good. Kyle back in. Hero trying to stay with Steph. Steph leaves him to the right and hits the three. Janked him. He's beat. Two men jump at Steph smartly. Deep three. He made it.
By McDaniel. Shot clock at 5. Staying with him.
Spins back. Launches the three.
Shot clock at 8. Stephon Stewart.
Creates something out.
Shot clock at 5.
Steph behind his back. Curry down the lane. Curry!